So hello everyone, my name is Shreya Mistry and today we are going to learn the chapter number 2, human reproduction. So this is especially for NCERT and NEET. So first we'll talk about humans. So humans are classified into mammals and mammals are of two types. So we classify mammals into two types. So first one is bipedal and second one is tetrapedal. टेट्रापेडल मतलब जिसे जो चार लिम्स होते हैं एंड बाइपेडल मतलब जिसे दो लिम्स होते हैं. सो इन टेट्रापेडल्स मैनी एनिमल्स कम एंड इन बाइपेडल्स वी ह्यूमन कम. As you all know that humans are the most dangerous mammals in the world. And now we'll talk about reproduction. So reproduction is classified into three types. First is vegetative, we classify reproduction into three types. So first one is the vegetative reproduction. The second one is asexual reproduction. And the third one is sexual reproduction. So, first we'll talk about reproduction. What is reproduction? So, reproduction is basically a cell formed by pre-existing cell. So now today we are going to learn about the sexual reproduction in human beings. So, as we all know, human beings are of two types. We have two genders. One is male and one is female. And in both the male and females, we have gametes. which undergoes the reproduction. जो मेल में गैमेट प्रोड्यूस करता है उसे हम बोलते हैं टेस्टिस, और जो फीमेल में गैमेट्स प्रोड्यूस करता है उसे हम बोलते हैं ओवरी. So these both have dual characteristics. First one is producing sperms, which is the male gamete. And second one is producing testosterone, which is the male sex hormone. The ovary also performs dual functions. It produces the female gamete, which is known as ovum. It also produces the female sex hormone. First one is estrogen and the second one is progesterone. So this hormone testosterone is responsible for the production of sperm, and it helps in the process of spermatogenesis to produce sperm. And in ovary, these both hormone helps to produce ovum through oogenesis. So as we all know, reproduction takes place by the male gamete sperm and the female gamete ovum. So the sperm is haploid in nature, which is N. It fuses with the female gamete ovum, which is also haploid. And these produce a zygote, which is diploid. So now we'll learn about the steps in the process of reproduction. So now we'll learn about the steps taking place in reproduction. So the first one is gametogenesis. So गैमेटोजेनेसिस में दो वर्ड्स आते हैं, एक गैमेट और जेनेसिस. गैमेट्स मतलब हमें समझ में आता है, गैमेट है स्पर्म एंड ओवम, और जेनेसिस मतलब प्रोसेस, फॉर्मेशन। So gametogenesis is the process of formation of male and female gametes. So the second step is insemination. So मैं फिर से एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ। गैमेटोजेनेसिस मतलब गैमेट, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ गैमेट्स जो कि है स्पर्म और ओवम, एंड जेनेसिस मीन्स formation of sperm and ovum, which is the female gamete and male gamete. So second step is insemination. So insemination means transfer of the male gamete, which is sperm, into the female gamete, which is ovum. So, to fuse the sperm with the ovum, it has to cross a genital tract, which is known as female genital tract. So, इस प्रोसेस को कहते हैं insemination. So, the third process is known as fertilization. We all know about fertilization. It means the sperm and ovum fuses to form zygote. So, the fourth step is known as implantation. अब ये जाइगोट फॉर्म हो जाएगा तो उस पर और बाकी लेयर्स आ जाएंगे, लाइक द कोरियन एंड द एमनियन, and this will lead to the complete zygote and it will attach to the uterine lining. सो जो जाइगोट जो है वो फर्दर डिवीजन करता है और वो 2 सेल, 4 सेल, 8, 16 ऐसे डिवीजन करता है. जो 8 और 16 के बीच में स्टेज आती है उनको हम बोलते हैं मोर्यूला, एंड इट कंटिन्यूज टू गैस्ट्रुला एंड ब्लास्टुला एंड इट फॉर्म्स अ ब्लास्टोसिस्ट, एंड दिस ब्लास्टोसिस्ट comes through the fallopian tube and attaches to the uterine lining, which is also known as endometrium. So this process is known as implantation. So the next process is gestation. So the next process is known as gestation. So gestation is a development of the baby. मतलब जो ब्लास्टोसिस्ट एंडोमेट्रियम को जॉइन हुआ था वो अभी डेवलप होता है, लाइक इन द फर्स्ट मंथ सेकेंड मंथ डेवलप होता है, उस पर हेयर आते हैं, लिम्स फॉर्म होते हैं, हार्ट फॉर्म होता है. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द बेबी. And the last step is known as parturition. So in this step, delivery of the fully formed fetus is done. So as you know, in the delivery of fully formed fetus, it is done through the vaginal canal, the cervical canal and the vaginal canal. It constitutes of the birth canal. So after the delivery of the baby, the seventh step is lactation. So after the pregnancy, the body of a mother undergoes cyclical changes, and lactation means producing milk to feed the baby after pregnancy. So let us revise all the steps. So there is a male gamete sperm and female gamete ovum which forms the zygote. So it undergoes many steps. First is known as gametogenesis, which is the process of formation of male and female gamete. Second is known as insemination. So the second step is insemination, transfer of male gamete sperm to the female gamete genital tract to fuse with the ovum. So this step is known as insemination. Third step is fertilization, process of fusion of sperm and ovum to form zygote. So the fourth process is implantation. So the blastocyst attaches to the uterine lining, which is endometrium. The fifth stage is gestation. So it is the development of the baby. The sixth step is parturition. So it is the delivery of the fully formed fetus. And the last one is lactation. It means production of milk after pregnancy. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe our channel.